Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pet costumes with an absolute gem: the California Costumes UPS dog costume in extra small. Now, you might be thinking, why a UPS costume for dogs? Well, let me tell you, this one takes the cake. Stick around as we unravel why this is the best UPS dog costume XL you can find. First off, let's talk about the adorable factor. This costume transforms your furry friend into a miniature UPS delivery person, complete with a shirt, cap, and even a little box. It's a head-turner at any party or gathering, and your pup will steal the show with its cuteness overload. Now, let's get into the specifics. Crafted from 100% polyester fabric and fiberfill, with a touch of polyurethane foam, this costume ensures both comfort and durability. It's designed with your pet's ease of movement in mind, featuring sleeves for your dog's front legs and a secure hook and loop fastener around the neck. But wait, there's more. The stuffed arms on the front of the shirt come with hook and loop fastener dots to securely hold the included box, adding an extra layer of authenticity to the costume. Plus, the foam visor with an elastic chin strap ensures a snug fit without compromising on comfort. Now, let's talk sizing. This costume comes in various sizes to fit different breeds, from extra small to large. And here's the best part: despite its premium quality, it's surprisingly affordable. At just $17.73 for the extra small size, it's a steal compared to other options on the market. So, if you're looking to elevate your pet's style game and spread smiles wherever you go, the California Costumes UPS dog costume extra small is the way to go. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's all for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products. Until next time, happy dressing!